I am talking about decision making. How to take a decision of your own and achieve your desired goals. What is decision making? Choosing the best option among different choices based on a set of goals or criteria. What I need to decide. You have a brain and mind of your own. Use it and reach your own decisions. How to make better decision. Avoid information overload. Too much of information may lead to confusion. Don't rely on other people's opinion. Make decision compatible with your values. Every decision has a consequence, positive or negative. How to make better decision. Don't take a decision just because you are comfortable with it. Some decision takes you out of your comfort zone. Have a backup plan. Try another way. Decision making. Always assess your decision, whether it is right or wrong. If your decision-making process is efficient, you will be able to make faster decisions. You can become a better decision maker.